works, air conditioning works. As you can see, everything is designed right here for the driver. You have your power windows that roll up. No issues. Up and down, no problems. No noises, no grinding. No noises, no grinding, no popping, no nothing. Everything is as clean as it can be. Very well taken care of for the most part. Remember, this is a 1999 Miata MX-5. No lights are on. I don't have my seatbelt on right now, obviously. I'll put the parking brake back up. Very well preserved. For being a 1999, it is in pretty nice shape. This is the top. Everything is nice and as it should be. We're going to be lowering it down later on when we're on the road, but I just wanted to show the interior. We are going to take this 1999 Miata for a run. Hopefully you guys are. Alright. Turn signals work. Air is nice and cold. I don't have the radio on. I want to make sure you guys listen to this engine. I know it's kind of hard, but it is quiet. This car is all original, so it doesn't have any aftermarket anything. There's no popping, no grinding, no anything coming out of this engine or transmission. Now the car does have brand new tires, okay? The brakes have gone through. It has brand new pads all throughout. This is a 5-speed transmission too, okay? So it gives you that nice cruising 5th gear if you are on the highway, okay? Nice and straight. You don't got to worry about any of that stuff. Alignment has been done. Everything is nice and set on it. We're just gonna pull over here. That way we can maybe do a nice little walk around so you can see the exterior of the car. Now the exterior is not perfect, okay? But, okay, here's the big but. It is in very nice shape for being a 1999 once again. These cars are not easy to come by in this condition. They're not as prevalent as they used to be. As the years go by, they just get harder and harder to find, as you would imagine, just like any other car. Nice thing about these cars is that they are so popular that you can find parts for them everywhere, anytime. Okay, you don't have to struggle too much with that. Let's see if we can find a nice little area to maybe take some pictures for you guys. Dropping the top. Okay, pull these levers. One. My bad. This. And voila. Just like that. And voila. Just like that. is a good looking car right there, boys and girls. Look at that. Okay guys, so if you guys are looking for a nice clean car, okay, this is the one. There is pretty much nothing wrong with this vehicle except a couple of blemishes on the paint. The driver's seat is a little bit worn out, but for the most part everything works on it. You have cold air conditioning, functioning radio, a flawless top, there's a refurbished wheels, no popping, no grinding from the engine or transmission. It doesn't really get any better than this. So if you're interested in the vehicle, I want to thank you for first and foremost stopping by, checking out the video. And if you have any more questions, just hit me up through Marketplace or whatever other media that you like and you found me in. So thank you so much.